Hello and welcome to Samurai Day Trading Trade of the Day. Fred here, going to run through the trade with you on this 10th day of February 2026. And this is a trade taken in the room today by myself and others live in the live trading room. And this is how it all went down. So we go to our usual suspect, which is our great indicator here, which is, maybe I should just change this. Our great indicator right there is the strong candle indicator, a little triangle pointing down saying, take this candle short. It's looking pretty good. It's also closed lower than anything else along this consolidation line, which gives you another reason to take it short as well. So we just need a bit of a retrace. We'll go ahead and this is the previous 4-hour low. Not too concerned about that. And we'll try and take it all the way down to the previous pivot. We look at our PVI, expect the next candle to be anywhere between 70 and 85. Ticks short, so I'm going to pair that with my ATM. We're going to go with 16s, 30s, and 60s. Maybe I could go longer, but we got about 60 ticks down to the previous pivot, so that's what we used for this trade. So here we go, and this is how it all went down in the room today. So let this bounce off that first. Just show me a little bit of green, a little bit of love, and then we'll go ahead and enter this. All right. So we get picked up. Our stop will go here up the top, our last major failure point. Right now, it looks like it's double failing to go long off of our 4-hour level. But again, you have a very nice strong candle pushing off the trend indicator. Nice retrace. If that retrace fails, highly likely we're going to get taken all the way down here to the previous pivot. We just got to do this at regular speed until we get picked up in the trade. Once we're picked up, we can speed it up and show you the results. So here we go. Figures. There we go. First thing we do is put our stop where it belongs, which is the last major failure point. All we need to do is get to our first target, which will de-risk the trade completely, and then we'll try and get our runners for 30s and 60s. We'll go ahead and speed it up now. 4 times market speed. Notice, boom, as soon as we hit our first target, we de-risk the trade. First 2 targets are out. Now, if we do get taken out here, we have the option. First of all, we can't lose money. And I'm going to slow it down. Because I think we do. We might get taken out here. I need to get another order ready. And if this comes back and takes us out at a little bit of profit, we'll go ahead and re-enter the trade. Yep. So we'll go ahead and re-enter. Now we made $240 on that initial move through. Let's see if this fails again, then we'll get picked up again and we'll try the trade again. Now you might say, well, this is already paid once. Maybe it's done. We're double failing to go long. Not yet. So again, we'll stay in the trade until we get picked up. Then we'll give it a second go. Taking a little bit more time than usual, but that's okay. It's kind of a very sideways day. So to get something that closes below everything else is pretty unusual. It usually results in a pretty nice, pretty look. All right, so again, we need to put our stop where it belongs until our first target. Now we've de-risked again, and we're in the same setup we were in previously. Now we can go ahead and speed it up a little bit. We're almost done with this 5-minute candle. And again, I need to get another order. Well, first two are out. Need to get another order ready just in case it comes back and takes us out. So 16s are out, 30s are out, 2 times 16, 30s. Now we're trying for our 60 tick target. I don't think it takes long to get down there. So that trade took a little bit, about 6 minutes and change. And between the two trades, that was worth 860 US dollars. So if you want to learn how to make 860 US dollars in 6.5 minutes, come and join us at SamuraiDayTrading.com. That's SamuraiDayTrading.com. The only place you're going to find the strong candle indicators, and it is a doozy, mate. So we look forward to seeing you in the LTR real soon. So God bless you, and we'll see you next time.